Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Starknet targets updates with my customer set. What's going on now? First of all, guys, the Starknet post this major update. So they even changed the name of the profile. So it's now like Starknet BTC Fi ARC. Bitcoin staking is fully live on the Starknet Mainnet. So basically, the people can stake the Bitcoin on the Starknet Mainnet, and it should bring the more users for the Starknet and maybe more attention, and maybe the token will pump, but it's not a fact. The good moments, two good moments now, three, even the three now. First one, tokens so underrated and lay down at the bottom, one take. Second one, just by speculation. So second moment, this news about the BTC staking, it's a good like a marketing trigger, marketing driver. Second one. And third one, I hear some rumors about, so the Starknet starts, marketing campaign and starts, pay the influencer to shield the Starknet and social media, and they give some discount, that influencer with some lock periods around like 3 or 5 months. Maybe just the rumors. We can't know, right? But some rumors around. So if we got like a 3-5 months lock period for that influencer, so it makes sense, maybe like speculation to buy now, because we saw on the Reddit and traded under the listing price 20 cents on the Binance. It's a weekly chart. And just after 100% pump in October, November, just withdraw initial deposit and then live with the free tokens. Maybe it makes sense, because if they will start the aggressive marketing campaign with the influencer, if the market will pump the October, November, if the BTC dominance will go down, all these factors we combine, and it's bullish. It's bullish, but like speculation with the realistic targets, not so hopium targets. So the realistic target, guys, a local one, it's a test of yearly open, 46 cents, 80. This is my entry around 40 cents, right? So I'm not buying now. I'm not a fan of DCA strategy. Take a look. This is a pump on the news about BTC staking, not that much, like 42%, but even this one is good. So the correction to monthly open is 13.94. It's good one, more than okay. Weekly open, it's more than okay, 12.38. So it's up to you to buy now or not, but I'm wait at least test of yearly open 46.65, and at that time, depends on the timing where we will be that time. Maybe it's going to be the end of November, for example. Maybe I will out to the break even. I don't know. Of course, I wish to hold to $1.08 because initiation accumulation pump model. If the model validated, the same levels now become like resistance. So it was a first support level. Now it's become resistance, and definitely we're gonna see the reaction at 44.71, 57.77, 87.42, $1.08. At $1.08, it will be over than 4 billion market capitalization, because now it's with current circular supply 4,320,000,000 is gonna be 4.66 billion market cap, and the highest point of the market cap was like 3.86. All-time high by market cap was 386, and only at $1.08 at 0.5 level by FIB, the market capitalization will be at a new all-time high. So, and if the influencer, it's just rumors, if the influencer got a lock period for 3-5 months, for example, it's like October 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example, 5 months, let's count. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe till end of March, they push the price higher, and just by logic, and start selling that tokens because they got an unlock period, and the FOMO will be on the market this spring, somewhere 6. So makes sense. Once again, repeat it. if you want to buy at 14, so at 29 withdraw initial deposit, and ride together with the influencer. My top for the Starknet is here. It's 228, 244. Yes, it's not so great. 244, for example, it's 10.5 billion market capitalization. Not so amazing numbers, right, for the investors. Maybe even the $5, but I don't think so, guys. To be honest, I don't think so. The Starknet will hit the 21 billion market capitalization, unfortunately. So the conclusion. So here, this is where I wish to out. $1 out, $1.08. Yes, it's gonna be just double X for me, but I wasted a lot of time with the Starknet, and I don't like the project which focuses just only on an influencer, right? But I hope this BTC staking, brings some new users, and we need to see the new all-time high on a BTC. But what's the point basically to stake the Bitcoin, to buy BTC now at 120K and stake on a Starknet? I don't see any reason why even. What's the point to stake BTC now? For what? If we're not so far from the new all-time high on a BTC and the end of cycle, what's the point to buy now at 120 and then freeze your BTC and stake with some lock period? No, makes sense basically. So looks like not in time. If they could launch the same model in August 24, it could be much better. Let's double check at easy direction market mood with my customer set. So daily, this is a distribution zone. That's why more than okay to see the correction. Got it. Direction, no signals to sell. Weekly time frame, we once again underrated. So we never seen the Starknet on the weekly time frame in the sell zone. So that's why for me it's like a good reason once again to buy now if you're not buying yet. Right. Here it was accumulation, and for the biggest warranty since August 24, we formed the warranty till June 25. So yearly the warranty. Got it. This is a direction, not a zone to sell. Nice one. Monthly, even better. So here, the main accumulation was in June at 10 cents 86. Nice one. So this is not like on these two indicators, not even on a weekly, not even on a monthly, some signals to sell. Market mood here, all this time period since January 25, it's capitulation zone. It's good. It's bullish. Locally, yes, of course, based on this hyped news, this is like a free zone, but it's only on a daily. So a lot of now news about and also, by the way, if the Ethereum and when the Ethereum will go to new all-time high, I think that all altcoins like Starknet will follow. So this is a local area zone, but it's not that bad because it's disbelief on the weekly and the monthly. This like area, but we at the bottom. Next one, guys, money power. We at the bottom on the money power on the monthly. So definitely not a time to sell. Here's money in was February 25, 20 cents. So definitely, I think the influencer at least will push the price to 40 cents to out at withdraw initial deposit. Here's was MACD bullish the warranty, RSI bullish the warranty. Now we over the middle line. So the capitulation, if we'll see some drop, yes. Everything is possible. We can drop to new all-time low and drop something like this one. But I don't think so. It will happen. So I think the most worst case scenario is something like this one. Just sideline and go higher. So I hope the bottom was in June 25. So this is it. And trade on, take profit, guys. Trade on. Buy was a recommendation. Close position on the weekly. No main signal to buy now. Daily here was a buyback and the sell. That's why if we will see the new all-time low, it's 8 cents 82. This is a buy line on a daily. So if you don't want to buy now, you can wait at this target. And I recommend you to wait, for example. If not, if you're not buying yet, if you want to buy accumulated, so you can buy now and here, your average will be like 11 cents or 12. So nice one. Or just wait this one, and if the price not dropped to the 8 cents, you just skip it. So just build a plan. Take profit line at 1746, exit line 1967, 12 time frame, also the buy line 8 cents 74. We already retested 12 time frame buy line in June 25. So I don't see any reason why we have to drop it again, but it's possible. So conclusion, guys, if you're not sure to buy now or not, better skip and wait the buy line on the daily. One tick. By the way, on the weekly we don't have enough data, right? All right, definitely we're gonna test the 47. It's yearly open. We always come back and test the yearly opens. It's just a matter of time. And I wait $1.08. And after that, I will take a look what to do with the tokens. And also, I will take a look what to do with my tokens. What about at 40 cents? When we'll come back to the 40 cents by timing. If it will be the October, for example, yes, I will hold. I will hold longer. The top of the top for the Starknet, I think it's 228, 244. With over than 10 billion market capitalization. Guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, or showed in this video, use right medium. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.